Hey guys, welcome back. So, what I've got here is the AMT 1960 Chevrolet Apache-10. Oh, and I just noticed something. That decal's missing. All right, well, I'll put it back up. I have the decal sheet, so I'll apply that decal. Anyway, the color. This is my wife. My wife called it horrid. She said it looks like Pepto-Bismol. So I named the truck Pepto. It is a box stock build. The roof is a metallic garnet enamel, and that is from Scale Finishes. The body color, the main color, and I named it Pepto because of my wife said it looked like Pepto-Bismol. The pink is actually Tamiya primer, and there's no clear coat over it or anything. It's just straight out of the can. Did a little bit of polishing and a little bit of wax on it. That's all I did to it. Like I said, it's box stock. And the go-kart is not glued in. It's just sitting in there. So box stock build. Kaleido colors underneath. These are all metal. The metal colors from Kaleido. I don't know exactly which ones they are. Same with the engine compartment, valve cover. All the metal looking parts are Kaleido colors. Interior is tan and gloss brown. And those are Tamiya colors. Now, yeah, shaky hands, as you can tell. I did have an issue with this truck. Right out of the box, the frame was warped. So in trying to get the frame straightened out, I did the hot water, hold it for a while, and I did get it straight. But then when I put the truck together, the body and the bed did not want to get on there and sit straight, flat. So I had to do some tweaking, and if you look at it real close, you can see one side of it kind of tilts. But it is sitting on all four tires, which is something that I thought would not do. Yeah. It's a cool kit. It's fun to build. I enjoyed building this one. I actually wouldn't mind doing it again and possibly doing more modifications to it, and less horrid paint job, as my wife called it. Horrid because of the color. But also I wanted to do this for Grandpa Mark is doing a 24-hour cancer awareness build. The issue with me doing it is I won't be here this weekend. I'm going to be gone for a trip. So I decided to just do the pink with the primer, and then just go ahead and post it up on my channel as a build honoring Grandpa Mark's cancer awareness build. So there it is, all done. Goes on my shelf. That's where it'll sit. That decal will be applied. I may apply a few other decals from the decal sheet because there's some pretty cool ones on it, or I'll save them and use them for another car. But yeah, fun build. If you guys can get your hands on one, I know Hobby Lobby carries these, so I might be picking up another one. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Take care. Have a great week. And I will see you in the next video. Okay? Oh, you know what? Thank you for all my subscribers. I have picked up a couple more. I appreciate it. Thank you for Gallery for sponsoring the channel. Scale Finishes, go check them out. Pick up some awesome paints from them too. And then there are some individuals in the community that need some prayers, going through some health issues. I will let you figure out who they are. If you're on Facebook, you'll see some. If you're on YouTube, you'll see some. So to them, you know, thoughts and prayers to those guys who need it. Take care. Take care of your family. Get some bench time. Build something fun. And be kind. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.